What are you looking at? You looking at the
What's that, mommy?
Huh?
What's that, mommy?
I'm talking about you. And you're crying. Good morning, Tita and Tito. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday from our baby Celine. From our baby Celine. It's currently 9 o'clock. Oh no, 9 o'clock. Nagdamgoy mong mama na. It's currently 10 o'clock in the morning. And where are you going? Where are you going? Kakatapos lang niyang magdede. And Daddy Mike is taking her out for a walk para ma-relax. Kasi yesterday, she was inside the whole day and nag-alburuto ang ating dalagang gamay. Ayun ang ating prom nilabas na ni Daddy Mike. And I swaddled her kasi matutulog na to siya. Nakikita niyo sa kanyang mga mata. She's going to sleep soon kasi nakapag-ready na yan. And Daddy Mike is here. Oh, dark. Ayan. It's gonna be for a walk. Morning, Daddy.
Morning. Sorry, I got my headphones in. I can't even hear you.
There you go. Daddy, you make sure you talk to her, Bob, when you go for a walk.
I do.
Yes, anak, she's listening. You are listening, aren't you? And ang ating baby girl ay nandyan. Shh. Shh. Can you wave na? Say hi, Tita and Tito.
Hi, Tito and Tito.
Tito and Tito?
Tell them what you're eating.
Tell Tita and Tito what you're eating, babe.
What's that?
What's that?
What is that?
Croissant.
Croissant.
That's a croissant, mommy.
What were you eating before the croissant? Cupcake. Did you have your fruit as well? Good girl.
I don't want banana.
You don't like banana? Banana is so good.
You liked it yesterday.
Yeah.
Mama,
Yeah. So, maiiwan kami dito dalawa sa bahay. Kasi habang maglalakad si Daddy Mike tsaka si Baby Celine, guys. Hindi muna ako magpapakita, guys, kasi ang aking mukha ay katakot-takot. So, habang nasa labas sila, ang ating babagyaw, ayan, si mami niyo ay mag-shower ba? Para magmukha at feeling tao na naman tayo kasi, my God, zombie mode. Nak, no? Hi! Will I put you in the pram now? Yes? Okay, let's do it before she cracks it. Okay, let's do it before she cracks it. Hello, Tabby Tabby. Hello, Tabby Tabby.
Still.
Ayan, lalayas na sila. Be good to Daddy, okay?
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay, okay. Careful, Daddy, the hat. Ayan siya, paiyak-iyak. But later on, pag nakapaglakad na. Oh, Daddy, would you like to take the dummy?
Huh?
The pacifier. Just take the pacifier. Nawala na sila. Ayan, kailangan kasing constant yung movement. Ayan, umiiyak pa, oh. Sleepy na kasi yan siya.
A few moments later.
Time check tayo. It's now 11:15 ng umaga. So, it's been an hour na nilakad-lakad ng ating Daddy Mike ang ating baby Celine. So, nung umalis sila, guys, pumunta ako agad sa bath. Nag-bath kami ni Baby Paris kasi si Baby Paris ay naiwan din dito. And then, nagmamadali ako, sabi ni Daddy Mike, don't rush, spend time with Paris and, you know, enjoy your bath. I'll just take baby Celine for a walk until daw magising. So, hindi pa sila nakauwi, guys. So, ayun, nakapag-bath tayo. Yung ating buka, hindi ko na binasa kasi matatagalan tayo doon. So, nag-ano ako, ang tawag dito, half bath yung katawan ko and also I'm feeling fresher at the moment. And, ang ating baby girl ay nabihisan ko na kasi may plano kaming lumabas. Hello.
Hello.
How are you feeling?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
You have to brush your hair? You have to brush your hair, huh?
Could it be in the bath?
That's right, yeah. Been in the bath like a good girl. Like a good girl. So, nag-send na ng photo si Daddy Mike ng picture ni Baby Celine. And she's still sleeping, guys. Super lucky talaga, guys, na andyan si Daddy Mike. Alam niyo, saludo talaga ako sa mga single mom, single parents dyan. I don't know how you do it. All I can say is I salute you. Kasi motherhood, even being a parent is not an easy task, right? It just requires a lot of patience and basta guys, like seriously, to the max level talaga yung pag naging pag naging parent ka na. And yun na nga naiisip ko, like ewan ko kung anong gagawin ko kung wala akong katuwang sa buhay at meron akong mga anak. Kasi sobrang hindi madali. Like this one here, right? So, tsaka lang ako nakakapag-ready sa sarili ko. Kasi, nilalakad-lakad ni Daddy Mike yung ating baby girl. Mamaya na ako mag-supply, guys, ha? Nakabulibot kasi yung buho ko kanina. Kasi, ang tawag dito, hindi ko binasa sa bath. Kaya, ayun. And then, yeah, super lucky and super blessed talaga ako na nandyan si Daddy Mike for us. And he's very responsible and very, ang tawag dito, very loving talaga sa amin ng mga anak niya. And actually, the other night, di ba na-mention ko na sa inyo, so he's not sleeping with us anymore. So dito siya natutulog sa couch. And then, one night, pumunta ako ng bed, kami ni Baby Celine, nakatulog na ako. And then, si Baby Paris, kasi late na yan siyang natutulog. So, siya na yung nag-bis kay Paris. He tucked Baby Paris in bed. Ganon. So, pagagising ko, andyan na si Baby Paris sa aking, katabi ko na. But then, nung pagtingin ko ng phone ko, kasi binihisan ko si Baby Celine, mga around 2 o'clock ng umaga yun. Pagtingin ko sa phone ko, may text message si Daddy Mike sa akin. Ilalagay ko yung text message niya sa screen, guys, ha. So, na-mention ko din sa inyo before na sobrang nakaka-stress yung aming washing machine kasi it's not working properly. For some reason, I don't know what's the issue with it. At wala na kaming warranty niyan kasi hindi ko alam kung ilang years na yung washing machine na yan. And nakaka-stress siya, guys, kasi every time na naglalagay kami ng mga damit, hindi siya natatapos, nag-i-error message siya. So, the other night, nung pagkagising ko, pagtingin ko sa phone ko, nag-send si Daddy Mike ng picture ng washing machine. Bumili pala siya ng washing machine online, guys. Like, sobrang na-touch taga ako kasi hindi siya nagsabi ng kung ano-ano or hindi siya nagsabi sa akin na bibili ako or anything like that. Parang na-shock lang ako. So, ayun, nag-send siya ng photo ng washing machine. Sabi niya, love my girls. Sabi niya ng ganun. So, yun, very grateful ako na I have Daddy Mike as my partner in crime, partner in life. Kasi even though hindi madali, but he makes it like easier for me and for everyone. Andiyan na pala sila. Ayan. Baka nagising na ang ating baby girl. Daddy and Baby Celine is here na.
Oh, I'm gonna go.
Open.
Kaya.
It's raining. Come na, anak. Kami na.
They're coming.
Ay! The baby girl has arrived. Say hi, honey, to your little sister.
Hello.
Hello, gutom na yarn.
He's asleep.
She's still sleeping or I think she's still sleeping na. Naglihok-lihok pa dito siya kajut na. Shush. Huwag nating istorbohin ang kanyang tulog kaya baka maglasong. Ay, she's smiling little girl. Baka maglasong na naman niya. Don't wake her up ha, cause she's...
Is this mine?
Yeah, I know. Just let her sleep. Come on. Go, we'll brush your hair, B, so we can get ready. Hayaan nyo na. Gusto pa niyang mag-sleeping. Maitim na ang kanyang buhok, oh. It's growing. Time check, mga peeps. It's now 2:30 ng hapon. And I'm getting baby Celine's clothes ready. Ayan, yung kanyang towel because we're giving her a bath. So, kanina pala, nung pagdating nila ni Daddy Mike at baby Celine, so obviously, pagagising niya, pinadede ko, and also we did like the skin to skin. Ganun, kasi very, very important daw yun para ma-relax yung baby kapag nag-skin to skin. And also, parang nasi-share daw ng mommy yung antibodies sa baby. And also, there's lots of benefits yung skin to skin, guys. Kaya, as much as possible, once a day, nag-skin to skin kami ni baby Celine. So, wala siyang damit, wala akong damit, and kinakado ko lang siya ng ganun. So, kasi nga, diba, yung mga kids daw, they love the sound of the heartbeat ng mommy. Kasi nga, when they were inside our tummy and our womb, yun yung naririnig nila. So, kaya yun. There you go. Nare-ready ko na rin yung bath niya ngayon. Konti-konti lang yung hot water kasi she's still sleeping. Andun sila sa, sa lunchroom with Daddy Mike. Hawakan ko muna kay Daddy Mike ang ating baby Celine. Nandito sila. Tingnan nyo guys, gabundok pa ang aming, nalaban na yan lahat. Alam niyo si Daddy Mike ang naglaban yan ba? Hello, ate. Oh, show me your dress, see. I wanna see your dress. Tingnan niyo. Nilaban ni Daddy Mike for a couple of days na yan siya. Tapos kailangan lang namin i-fold. Ayan. Hello.
I want to get my dress. I want to see.
There, you stand there. Tingnan niyo. Sleeping very comfortable. Ayan. Hindi pa yan siya binihisa. Nilagyan ko lang ng warm na, blanket. Para warm siya. Anak, B, come on na. Show me your Elsa dress. Or show to tita and tito. It's very beautiful. Alam niyo ba, ilang beses na ito siyang natumba ba? Kasi ang haba-haba na. Sing, let it go na. Ang haba na ng buhok niya, Ate Paris, no? Ay, papali na. Sige, kumumo. Sige, kaligyan. Sige, kaligyan. It's very, tingnan nyo ang dalawa. Yan, pag nagising yan, guys, na natin, ibabath natin, hindi ka agad-agad, ha? Panrelax natin ng konti, tapos, oh my God, umiiyak ako. Tapos, bigyan natin ng bath, at aalis tayo, maya-maya din. Firstly, pipick upin na naman natin ang ating bilo-bilo at cassava cake at puto kina Ate Richelle. Ayan, yan yung ating ginagawa every Saturday. And after that, pupunta tayo ng Coles kasi kailangan namin bumili ng nappies. Kasi alam nyo guys, yung nappies, oh my God, ang daling maubos. Especially kay baby Celine. Every now and then, change the nappy kasi naka-wee, which we're not complaining because, that's the one thing to tell na our baby is doing well. So, Gigising na yan siya very soon. Oh. She loves the cuddles. Gusto niya na hawakan siya palagi. I think lahat naman ng babies. Nangga sa mama. Di ba umiiyak din siya kanina nung umalis sila? Nag-walking sila ng daddy niya. Napatahan daw ng daddy niya. Alam ng daddy niya yung technique. Kung paano.
Why? It's not. What's the one? What's rocking?
Yeah, what's in your mouth? What did you eat now?
Nothing.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Do you love your sister?
I really love cupcake.
You really love cupcake? I didn't ask you if you love cupcake. I asked if you love baby Celine.
I love baking.
You love her?
But I love.
Hello, everyone!
Okay, love.
Fresh na ang ating, sabi ni Ate Paris, welcome back to our channel. Fresh na ang ating baby. Ayan, may hiccup lang. May hiccups lang. Ayan. So, pinaliguan ko na siya, guys. Nag-bath na siya. At hindi na ako nagba-vlog, guys, kapag, especially pagkatapos ng bath, ganun, kasi, alam nyo, give you a trivia, ha. So, ayan. Start na naman siya paiyak-iyak. Baby Celine is very, guys, iyakin, I'd say, kumpara kay Ate Paris. So, ito siya. Kung nakikita niyo siya sa video, ganyan, relax lang yan siya. Kasi hinahawakan siya at kakadede lang niya. And, hindi ko na sinasama sa vlog namin, guys, yung sobrang iyak niya talaga. Especially pag binibihisan niyo siya, guys, hanggang kabilang kanto yung kanyang iyak. At ayokong i-vlog ko na. And also, hindi ko na naiisip na mag-vlog kapag ganyan, umiiyak na yan siya. Hindi ko na naiisip na mag-vlog. At ayoko ring ang tawag dito, I don't think it's very nice na, while she's crying, vlogging, ganun. So, that's why, pag nakikita nyo siya sa mga vlogs, she's calm. Ganyan. Pero, sa likod ng camera, guys, what's that I could hear, honey? What's that I could hear? Nakapupo ang baby. Gosh. Ayan. Pero alam niyo, guys, oh my God, kapag umiiyak siya, mama. Kaya nga sabi namin na iba, sobrang iba talaga yung experience namin kay Baby Paris tsaka kay Celine. Nak, no? Nak? Hey? Ba't you pupo? Pupo. Ayan na, ang nakapupo na baby. Yes, Ate Paris, can you get Mama nappy and wipes, please?
Okay.
Thank you, Elsa. Careful with your dress. Hapit sa mo. Yes, baby girl. We will change nappy, ha? Hi. Hello. Hello. New babath ikaw, na? Nag-new bath ikaw, Papa? Yes, beautiful girl. Did you like the bath? Alam niyo, gustong-gusto niya talaga yung bath, guys. Maybe because, the warm water, yan yung nafe-feel niya sa ilalim ng tiyan ni Mommy. No? No? But then, after that, when you're going to change or, put dress on, thank you, Ate Elsa.
A little bit heavy.
It's a little bit heavy. Thank you, Princess.
Welcome.
You're welcome. See? Ate Paris, help us. And ito pala siya. ito siya, napagalitan ko yan siya kanina kasi while nagbabat kami, gusto din niyang sumali. I understand, she really wants to help, right? Like, sobrang ganito, ganyan, gustong-gusto niya talagang tumulong. But then, sabi ko sa kanya, when it comes to water, you have to be very careful. Kasi nga, diba, kunting splash lang dito sa isa. Ay, naku. Hindi talaga, very dangerous around water. Anak, no?
Yeah.
Tapos yan siya, sa kaka-excited niya, kung ano siya ng tubig, tapos na-splash niya sa, mukha ni Baby Siling. Ha, Paris? Ate Paris, you have to be very careful with water, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, ate. You're such a very good girl. Ayan. Hindi siya umiyak, guys. I'm not jinxing it, ha? Ayan, careful, anak. Don't scare her lagi, anak.
No, I just want to pet.
Yeah, like slow down, like that. See, slowly.
Just like it.
Yeah. Scares her, anak. Pinakalit ni mo. There you go.
It's okay. This slow.
Yes, honey.
Kasi
Kasi nakagawas na ang iyang tae. That's why hindi siya umiiyak. Pero alam nyo guys, naku, kung maririnig nyo lang ang iyak niya guys. Oh my Lord. Kahapon nga hindi kami nakapag-vlog. Kasi ito siya ay, kailangan ng attention, nak, no? Nak, do you want Mama, Daddy, and Ate Paris' attention, nak? Everyone's attention, nak? Ibang-iba kasi talaga, guys. Kasi when I had Paris before, so ilang araw pa lang to siya. Galing sa Oh, God bless you, Baba. Kakapanganak ko lang nito. Meron kasing tinatawag nila na mom's group. So always kaming nakalabas. And also Paris, when I had Paris, summer yun siya. So maganda yung weather. So always kaming nagwo-walking, always with ibang kids. But this time, dito lang kami sa loob ng bahay kasi winter, maginaw. And also, lockdown din, no? Anong gagawin namin? So, wala talagang, parang nabuboard din siya dito sa bahay. Yeah. Oh, God bless you, sweetheart, again. So, kahit nasabihin niyo, ang baby, no, less than a month old, tapos mabuboard, ganun. Anong alam sa mundo? But, totoo yun, guys. Nabuboard daw yung mga babies talaga. Kaya, you have to keep them moving. Carefully, Elsa, ha? So, mag-change na tayo ng nappy na. Daddy Mike's getting ready. Tapos siya yung nito babantay. Tapos si Mami na yung magre-ready. Kasi tingnan niyo si Mami ay pambahay pa rin. We're gonna go pick up Mommy's food. We go to the shops. We'll go to the shops. Tingnan niyo, meron pa siyang mga hindi pa natapos yung kanyang change kinak na. Anak, no? Be a good girl for Mama, no? No more crying, anak. Good girl. Good girl. Do you wanna come at the Paris? You have to get your shoes now if you wanna come.
I want to wear my Elsa dress.
Do you wanna wear your Elsa dress? Okay, you can wear your Elsa dress.
I want to wear my Elsa dress, but I'm walking to the shop.
Okay. I don't know about that, Nak. That's very long. You don't want to clean the shop with your dress, Nak. While you're walking, you will clean the floor. Because that's a very long dress. Get your shoes na go. Ready na ta. Okay, what time is it now, B? Time is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Nak, hapon na nak. Alright, mag-change na ta natin.
A few moments later.
Guess what? Kailangan naming bihisan ulit. Tingnan niyo, iba na ang kanyang suot. Kasi, nag-explode Nag-explode na? Ha? Sobrang puno ng napi. Ganyan, kumalat sa likuran niya dyan, oh. Yan. Daddy Mike na naman yung maghahawak sa kanya. Kasi magbibihis na si Mami. Anak, are you okay there, na?
No.
Look, get your shoes now. We have to go.
No.
Ayan. So, we go now, anak. Talking to your daddy. Pagbihis ko sa kanya kanina, guys. Grabe na naman yung iyak. Oh my God.
Ay, ay.
Parang magigiba yung bahay ba? What are you looking at? You looking at the camera?
What's that, mommy? What's that, mommy?
I'm talking about you. And you're crying. You understand? No, ibigis si mami. Dito na kami sa sasakyan, guys. Ug sa dihang grabeng hilak ni Inday Celine. Tinry ko siyang ilagay kanina sa kanyang car seat and ayaw niya talagang umupo. Sobrang lakas ng kanyang iyak. Kaya pinadedi ko muna and then nakatulog. Oh. Kanina pa kami dito sa sasakyan. Ang ating ate Paris ay nakatulog na rin kasi palagi niyang sinasabi na I wanna go now, mami. O, paano ba pag-go? Nagpadidi pa man tayo. So, natulog na lang siya. Sabi niya, gisingin niyo na lang ako pag nasa shop na tayo. Ito. Himbing na ng tulog, oh. I'll just wait for a little bit tapos ilalagay natin sa car seat. Hi guys! Time check tayo. It's now 7:30 ng gabi and kakauwi lang namin. Ang ating baby girl ay making noise na. Hi, Nak!
Hello!
Did you go with Daddy to the shops?
Yeah.
Yes. So si Daddy Mike at si Ate Paris ay pumunta ng shops. They did some groceries. And then, nagpaiwan kami ni baby Celine. Ayan. Ay. Ayan, kasi nilapag ko. Tulog yun siya eh. Pero kasi nilapag ko, gising na naman yan. Gising na naman yan, baby na yan. Hindi ko pa nga na-check yung... Anak, mataga ka na? Daddy Mike here. Ayan. Lagay na pala ni Daddy Mike yung mga pinamili niya. Ang dami na pinili, guys. Uy, abunda ang ating ano ngayon. Fridge. Ikaw ba? Hello, honey girl. Wakey na ikaw na. Kaya bas hindi ka matulog karong gabi na. Hello. Hey, shush. No. Hello, princess. Hello.
I don't know to open.
What do you have there? Who gave you that?
Daddy.
I'll get Daddy to open ko. Mama's holding baby Celine. Ang ating baby girl ay sleepy na naman. Ayan, sabi ni Daddy Mike kanina, oh my God, like, tulog si baby Celine most of the time. Like, earlier today. So, baka hindi ito matulog tonight. Si Daddy Mike pala, guys, nag-ano siya, may luto session siya tonight. Ano siya sa kusina. Dami na niluto niya. Gumawa din siya ng tawag dito? Orange and ginger juice. Kanina, asa na ba yun? Sa akin. Nak, give me the juice, Nak, be. Where is it? The one Daddy gave you. Oh.
I don't know.
Hello, Baba. Hello. Shush, more. Shush. Iyak. Hi, guys. Dito na kami sa bed. We are going to sleep now at yung gamit ko na ay ang ating phone.
But you still telling us a story.
Telling you a story or you tell mommy a story?
That's you.
You tell me a story. Guys, nahuhulog na talaga ang aking mata mo.
But I don't remember to do a story.
You can tell me a story.
No, I can.
Ayan. Tingnan nyo. Dinala ko na si baby Celine dito sa bed para makatulog, no?
See? See that.
Tapos, ito siya. Si daddy na niya ang nagbihis. Tsaka, did you brush your teeth?
Yeah. Check my teeth.
Tapos, ayan, kami lang dito tatlo sa kwarto, guys. Yung tatay niya na doon na
Look at my
natutulog.
teeth.
Good job, sweetheart.
That's
Sa couch
shiny.
na natutulog ang tatay niya. Kasi ito siya, dapat doon siya sa kanyang bed. Ayaw man niya. Gusto niyang tumabi sa akin. So, wala na space yung kuhan.
Yeah.
Amahan. So, guys, thank you for watching today's video, ha? Hindi tayo makakapag-shoutout kasi ang cellphone ko yung gamit ko. But, yeah, thank you everyone, as always, sa panonood ng ating vlogs. And we will do a shoutout tomorrow. So, gustong magpa-shoutout dyan, just leave a comment in the comment section below para i-shoutout kayo ni Ate Paris. Can you do shoutout tomorrow, no? Say shoutout, everyone.
Shout out, everyone.
Say thank you for watching our videos.
Thank you for the PAANO.
And anyways, guys, that's about it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can,
Hello, bye.